There's something about us that is unseen. And it's this frequency, this vibratory field that we emanate out into the world just by our very being in this space. Right now, you are emitting these vibrations, these waves, these frequencies. And so we can intentionally amplify them by bringing our attention to it with the intention to make it even stronger and move even further out, right? And so that's what we're going to do right now. And in this, because there's an invisible aspect of us that is so powerful, so powerful. And when we expand ourselves, our hearts, our love in this infinite field, we have the ability to reach out and touch each other because we're not limited by space. Right? And so we hold this intention. And so we work with the breath. We're going to breathe 3 times together. You're going to inhale, hold it for just a moment, and release the exhale. And we're going to do it together. And as we're doing this, we're going to have an awareness of our very beautiful, loving heart beating beneath our chest bone. And we will have the intention of allowing this heart to radiate these vibrations and frequencies of love, love, love all into the world because love is the healer. So we send this love all into the world, reaching all living beings because they're all our relatives. Right? We're all a part of this beautiful, magnificent love story right here, right now. All right, so I invite you to put your hands on your heart. Feel your heart beating beneath your palms. And then let's just take a big, deep inhalation in. Hold it at the top here. And release it and let it go. We're going to do that again, breathing in deeply. Holding at the very top, just for a second. And exhaling, letting all the air out. Let it all out as much as you can. And this time, when we're breathing in, I want you to speak love, like think love in your mind. Love, 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 love as you're breathing it in. And then when we release it, love, 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 releasing love into the world. So receiving this love and releasing this love in this space for our last and final breath together. Let's breathe in the energy, the essence of love, 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 love. Ready, begin. Hold it right here. And release love, 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 love into the world. Now take your hands and wiggle your fingers in the air as we allow this love to be fully expressed, these frequencies to move on beyond us, and we reach out and we touch one another in this sacred space right here. We're touching each other with our intention, with our love, with our frequency, our vibration, sending out ripples of infinite love with every breath. Now bring your hands back to your heart. Offer gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you for this beautiful, loving, kind heart. Growing every day, learning how to be a better lover every day. What is love asking of me now? Thankful, thankful, thankful for this heart and this opportunity to share together in this infinite field. We bring our hands to our hearts like this if you want to, in like a little prayer pose. And we say, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for this beautiful opportunity to come together in this way and to merge our energetic fields in this infinite cosmos.